10 lines essay on television in English. The television is the most amazing invention of science. Philo Taylor Farnsworth invented it. With this invention, a new era has begun. One can find a television set in almost all the houses. Amazing means शानदार, wonderful. Invention, इजाद, साइंस की. फाइलो टेलर फार्न्सवर्थ ने इसे इजाद किया था. एरा मीन्स दौर. बिगन शुरू हुआ. We can hear and see songs, dances, news, sports and films on TV. It is a big plastic box with a machine inside. It has speakers, on-off switch, channel change switch and volume switch. Today, most of the people use color TV sets. Television is commonly used for entertainment. To entertain kids so that they don't go out and play in the hot sun. Many endless channels are available in all the regional and national languages. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel.